I'm Anton Forbes. I work at Bristol City Women's and I'm the sports therapist. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to take Molly through some taping for her MCL. So what we're going to do is, I've got these tapes here, so we've got the Tiger Tan, we've got some EAB and we've got some zinc there, and I've also got some spray. So what we're going to do is, we're going to start off keeping Molly in this position. Molly, are you happy in that position? Yeah, cool. I'm going to spray, so what I want to do, come in that position. Right, what I'm going to start off with for me, just this one. So I'm going to come around, start off above that joint. I'm going to cut in. Try not to make these too tight. I'll come in that position. Not very great there, a bit short, but we'll fix that off. Cool. How's that so far, Molly? Is that okay? Cool. Fine. So as we said, we're going to tape the MCL. So what we're going to do from this position, how I like to do it, going to and from, obviously the MCL being in that position, so we're going to come there on the angle, crossing that joint line. I like to do a few strips. So we're going to and from there, come up in there, come in there, and then what I'd like to do is come across the opposite way. In that position. Obviously our main aim with this one is just to get a little bit of stability for that MCL. Obviously we'd like to think that she'd be at a decent position to play and train. So again, as long as she would, this is just there for those extra bits of stability. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rip some of these off. Hopefully they don't twist, a few of them are. Get these set up. And then again, we're just crossing over that joint line, providing some stability. Oh, that one's gone. Try again with this one. Good. Coming across that area. Do a few more. Coming over there. I will do one more slightly further forward there. Good. How's that feeling so far, Mal? Is that okay? You feel okay so far? Cool. From there, what I personally like to do from there, lock that part off. Round again. That off there. From here, what I like to do, just for a bit of extra, get that EAB. And again, we're just following that same direction, same pattern. And then around there. And again, I will go in the opposite direction. Coming around there. What you can do also, depending on what you're playing on surface wise, if it's raining, is it not, just knock those bits off. Find that one, I'll come up in here. There you go, and that's how you tape an MCL.